All right, brand new day. We're gonna check this hood and those cell panels one last time. If everything checks out with spray one more time, we'll be good to go there. Then we gotta do the front and the doors. I wanna try to finish checking all this by the end of the week. So then we can hit the Supra. When we can hit the Supra, we could do the quarters again, just like how we did my El Camino. We could do the quarters, we could start there. We can go to the roof, the doors, the front. The front's pretty good. I wet sanded these, but I want to actually check them. I think I could do this a lot easier. This is a smaller car. Yeah, let's spray the guide coat on my El Camino. Let's get finished. Oh, god damn it. All right, let's just do it. Come on, let me pick it up a little more. All right, you see, you got it sprayed, but this one, it's not really one to spray. You see, this is what I did right here. So I had to use my other one. I'm gonna mess with the can a little and shake it a bit more. Maybe it's been sitting for too long. Overturn the other one. I got a new one. Now this one's working. Let me demonstrate for you. If I can get myself together here. There we go. Look at that. That's what we need. There we go. That's how it's supposed to shoot. All right. Got it about half sand. Trying to record here and there. I just don't want to set up my phone right there because it's pretty hot. I don't want the thing to explode. Yeah, let's finish this up. All right, so got everything about guided. Only thing we really have is, where is it? Right here. You see those little marks? I wasn't gonna do anything because I thought it was just pinholes. And the hybrid primer will cover that up, but I can feel it when I rub my hand, so I'm gonna put just a slight smidge, then sand that, then we'll be good there. For everything else, we're pretty much good. That's just I've hit the other primer, but we'll be good. So let me do that, then we'll shoot this with the primer. We'll be good with the hood, or good with the cab, my bad. Yeah. Get a view from this side. Everything's good. You gotta sand these little pieces down. But everything is good. We're straight everywhere. I'm gonna check right here. The little things here and there I gotta finish getting off, but we are straight. Then we'll be able to tell once we shoot it. We'll look at it once it's wet. But let's finish. All right, see, I just put a smidge, nothing heavy. I'm just go over this real quick just to be sure, because I had felt something right there and right there. So, oh, come on, phone. You see, it's nothing crazy, no big lump, just something thin. So send that down and I'll get back with you. All right, so I just hit it with the 120. I need to do this a little more. Now, and I'm just gonna spray some of that Can Paw primer. I'll show you in a second. Then I'm gonna put some guide and just see if we're all good here. So yeah, let's do that real quick. Let me show you that primer. All right, I'm just gonna hit this from about right here to right here. I'm gonna hit it with this primer. I get this one at O'Reilly's, or actually AutoZone. I believe it's about like 10 bucks. So yeah, stuff works pretty great. So let's spray this on. There we go, let's let that dry, then we'll come with the guide coat. I will let that dry. You see, this tape. We're all good. No low spots or anything crazy that I could see, or anything where the guide stayed. So I believe we're all good here. I'm debating checking it one more time after I prime it, but we'll see. Once we prime this, then I believe we're gonna do the doors. We'll figure that out. But yeah, let's wait for this to dry and we'll get to it. All right, got that guide. Gonna let it dry, then we'll start hitting it with the 120. As you see, we're all is well. No spots left over. I just gotta sand a little off like there and there. But nothing crazy, nothing stayed behind, no dents so far. So now we can shoot it with the rub primer, so let's get to that. You're gonna wipe it down with some thinner real quick. Then we can get to spraying. There we go. Now let's get to spraying. Let's get to the business. All right, so let me show you. So my primer I'm using is this 4-to-1 right here. So, move this back a little. The primer itself, we're gonna be going to 5 to 5. So I'm gonna pour first my primer, and I'm gonna go to this 5. Then I'll come with this hardener to, where was that? Right here, to this 5. But with this specific primer, this is really thick. So I go right about here, about halfway over. This just thins it out. It helps the gun shoot it nicer. If not, it kind of clogs up the gun and it shoots shitty. So that's what we're gonna do. 5 to 5. This is what we gotta worry about. So let's say you wanted to make more. You would go 6 to 6, or you could go in the middle. You can go from this 6 with the primer. You'd put your primer to here, and you go to here with your hardener. Or if you did, let's say you wanted not as much, you'd go to this 7 with your primer, and you go to this 7 with your hardener. Hope that's easy to understand. 4-to-1 is what we're using. Right there. Not that one, not that one, this one. So let's start pouring. Alright, we got our primer mixed up and everything. Now let's get to the shooting. I wasn't able to get much video of me shooting it. My apologies on that. But from what I can see, everything looked great. Everything looked straight. I didn't see any dents or anything while the primer was wet. I should have made a little more primer because I ran out about halfway and I wanted to get more coats, but it's fine. I'll come back later. All right, we got everything there. You see we got it all covered and primed. I'm debating if I'm going to check this one more time. But for now, let's get started on those doors. All right. We're going to hit this door today. It's the roof. Now let's get to doing this door. Let's hit it with some guide coat. Guide, so you always want to let it dry right after you shoot it, or else you're going to get nothing but the guide coat just stuck to your paper and you're just going to waste material. So let's let this dry and we'll get to it. All right, so we're still using a 120, so let's get to it. All right, we got the guide all blocked. The only thing I'm gonna put is right here and right here. It's just some small little things. You do a smidge. Then we're gonna check the other door, then we can prime them. But I need to get us some water. It's blazing out here. All right, so we're all good all over here. It's just this. Yeah, just put just a smidge. Sand that down. We'll be good. We'll be ready to prime over here. All right, I got that sand, and I'm just gonna spray a little can primer, then the guide, and check it one more time. All right, we're all set here. Got the window taped up. Now let's get to spraying this. Get our cup, our strainer. And a stick. They're all our necessary materials, so let's get to it. All right, so I'm just gonna go, where are we at? From that floor to that floor right there. There's not much, it's just a door. So let's get to it. Here's a primer also. All right, so here's the door right here. See, all looks well. Came out real nice. Now we just gotta check the other one. The only thing I'm gonna have to do is come back and hit all this bottom piece, because I haven't done that. I've just done up the upper pieces. But yeah, that's the door. We're looking good. We can hit the other side, but you got to stay tuned for the other video.